Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect regular pentagon using the proper geometric construction method. All you need is a ruler and a compass. So let's get started. First, draw a line segment AB. Now, draw two circles centered at A and B, both with a radius equal to AB. The two circles intersect at points C and D. Connect C and D with a straight line. Next, draw a third circle centered at C, again with a radius of AB. This circle intersects the first two circles at E and F, and it also crosses line CD at point G. Now draw lines from G to E and from G to F. Extend both lines until they intersect the first two circles. Label these new points H and I. Next, draw two more circles centered at H and I, each with a radius equal to AB. Their upper intersection is point J. Finally, connect the points A, B, I, J, and H. And there you have it, a perfectly constructed regular pentagon using nothing but a ruler and a compass. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more geometry and technical drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching.